Hi there! In this video we shall be talking about 5 tips and tricks that will make the setting experience and the user experience far more easier on the MeTV 4a. Of course there are a couple of you that might have figured these out by now, but there are some who haven't. So this video is for all of you. Continue watching this video. This is your friend Texting. Let's get started! So a lot of these tips and tricks are actually an answer to the questions that a lot of people have asked me regarding the MeTV. So we'll start with tip number 1. So is it possible that we use the MeTV like a normal LED TV without its smart features? In other words, if I want to watch something on the set-top box, I have to turn on the MeTV, wait for the patch wall interface to come up, navigate down to HDMI or AV composite wherever my set-top box is connected, and then go and choose my cable channel. So is it possible that every time I turn on my TV, it takes me directly to my set-top box without entering the patch wall interface? Yes. So for demo in this video, I'm using Chromecast, which is connected to the HDMI 1 port. You could have your set-top box connected to either of the HDMIs or AV composite. The process will be the same. Navigate down to Settings, then General Settings, and then the first option on the top, Autoplay. Click it. You have to choose the input port on which a set-top box is connected. In my case, the Chromecast is connected to the HDMI 1. Let's reboot the MeTV and see if it opens Chromecast. There it is. So now you can turn on your MeTV and start watching your favorite channels without the hassle of any smart TV interface. Simply just press the back button to go back to the smart TV interface. MeTV has a patch wall interface which is running Android Marshmallow. So like any other Android device, can we switch between previously opened apps and clear them all? Yes. Double tap the home button on the remote. All your previously opened apps will show up in tile format. Navigate left-right using the remote. Press up to dismiss the app. Press down to clear all from the memory. Did you know you could add 5 of your favorite apps as shortcut on the home page? This is how you can do it. Scroll down to the home page and navigate to More. My favorite apps are YouTube, Netflix, Hotstar, Movie HD and VLC Player. Go straight up to Sort, then go to your favorite apps and click it. You will see that as you start clicking them, these apps start lining up on the top row. Once done, go back to your home page and there you are, 5 of your favorite apps are available for easy access. The MeTV 4a has a 3.5mm audio headphone jack. I've used an aux cable to connect it to my home theatre system. Now there are times I don't want to use the home theatre system, so I have to go all the way back and remove the aux cable so that the sound starts playing from the TV speakers. So for example, you have connected wired headphones to the 3.5mm audio jack. Every time plugging it in and removing it would be such a pain. So I figured a way out where you can leave the 3.5mm audio cable plugged in and still have sound from the TV speakers. Scroll down for settings on your home page, sound, speakers and click it. Go to TV speakers and you're done. So now even if your 3.5mm audio jack is plugged in, you can still use the TV speakers. Did you know that the MeTV has a sleep timer mode? Yes, it does. Only difference is it's called delay power off. For those who don't know what's a sleep timer, it's a timer we set usually at night while watching TV so that if we fall asleep, the TV turns off automatically. In the power menu, you will find the delay power off. Press the up button in the remote to set the timer. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes and 120 minutes. These are all preset timers. Let's set a timer for 60 minutes and see. There you go. To turn off the timer, go inside the delay power off and press the down button. Click cancel. Probably the most underused feature of the Mi TV is the sleep screen mode. It's like the standby for normal LED TVs. The power consumption of LED TVs is always the screen. Consider this. If you are using a mobile phone, would you turn it off every time after making a call and turn it on every time you want to make a call? No. You just turn off the screen and lock the phone. This is absolutely a similar device. The power consumption is almost negligible when the screen is powered off. On the contrary, when you turn it on from sleep mode, you resume exactly where you had left off. For people who are using the TV a couple of times, turning it on and turning it off doesn't make any sense. So use the sleep mode more often. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comment section if you have any questions regarding the Mi TV. Also, don't forget to share if these tips were helpful, not helpful, you knew about them, you didn't know about them, anything at all. Don't forget to mention it in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, cheers.